Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandeep Raturi. In this video, we will solve a Power BI exercise task. This exercise is very helpful for beginners, and in this playlist, I will upload more exercises from basic to advanced levels. Let's understand the task first and then we will implement it. So this is the exercise name, create a sales summary visual, and these are the tasks for this exercise. First is load the dataset into Power BI. Second is create a measure to calculate total sales. Third is create a measure to calculate profit. And last one is create a cluster column chart to show the sales by region. In this exercise, we will use sales dataset, and these are the columns for sales dataset: order ID, product category, region, sales and cost. And you don't need to worry about this dataset. I will provide it in the video description. Now let's start the practical. So first we will load the dataset into Power BI. So for that, go to the Home tab, and under Home tab you can see the Get Data option, and our dataset is in text format. So here we will choose text and CSV option. After that, select the file and click on Open. Here you can see the data preview and click on Load. So now you can see here data has been loaded successfully for the sales dataset, and from table view you can see the data. Now go to the report view. After that, we'll create a total sales measure. So right click on the dataset name and select new measure. First we will provide the measure name total sales, and to calculate the total sales we will use sum DAX, and then pass the sales column name, close the bracket and click on commit. So here you can see total sales measure has been created successfully. Next we will create a measure to calculate the total profit, and if you see here in data we don't have any profit column. So to calculate the profit, we will subtract the cost from sales. So now go to the report view, right click on the dataset name, select the new measure, provide the measure name total profit. First we will calculate the total sales. So for that we will use sum DAX, provide the sales column name, close the bracket, add the subtract symbol, and now we will calculate the total cost. So again we will use sum DAX, pass the cost column name, close the bracket and click on commit. So measure has been created successfully for total profit. Now we will add both measure into the card visual. So we will add two card visual, one for total profit and another for total sales. So from visualization pane, add the card visual, and in this card visual we will drag the total sales measure into field section of the card visual. So here you can see total sales 2,97,000. Again we will add one more card visual for total profit, and here we will drag the total profit measure into field section of the card visual. So here you can see 94,000 is total profit. Last task was add a cluster column chart to show a total sales by region. So for that we will add one cluster column chart into report page. So here you can see this is the cluster column chart, and in cluster column chart first we will drag a region column into x-axis of the cluster column chart, and in y-axis you can drag the total sales measure. So here you can see this is the total sales by region. So in north region we have 88,000 sales, for east region we have 78,000 sales. So here you can see the total sales by region. Now we are done with all task requirements. If you want to change the font size and color for the chart, so select the chart, go to the format your visual tab, and here you can explore the chart properties. So just for an example, if you want to manage the x-axis and y-axis font size and color, So open the x-axis, and from here you can manage the font size and color for the x-axis values. In same way for y-axis, from here go to the values, and here you can change the font size and color for the y-axis values. And if you want to enable the data label for the chart, so scroll down and turn on the data labels. If you want to change the color for the chart, open the column section, and here you can change the color for the chart. If you want to individually change the color for the chart, just for an example, north, east, west and south, so from drop down select the any region, and from here you can change the color like this. And if you want to manage the height and width for the chart, so go to the general tab, open the properties, and from here you can manage the height and width, and also you can manage the horizontal and vertical position. And if you want to change the title for the chart, so scroll down and go to the title section, and from here you can change the title for the chart visual, and also you can manage the font size and color. And if you want to do the formatting for the card visual, so select the card visual, go to the format your visual tab, and from here you can change the font size and color for the value and category level for the card visual. So that's all for this video. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.